Hi, I'm Amit Kumar from Navodaya Vidyalaya Smiti, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay is a project which is a very important part of my ICT educator journey. And I started the project, uh, implementing the project in my school in 2014, and with my students when I saw it as an opportunity to uh, see that this project can cater the need of my students, and I can bridge the gap between the supportive learners as well as my bright students, because I have to quench the thirst of my bright students of computer science with the advanced softwares. But parallelly, I had to take care of the students who need my support in catching up with them, catching up with the mainstream. So these self-paced and multilingual, I think means like 16 languages, can you believe it? These courses and the video tutorials were awesome to bridge that gap. But after 1 or 2 years, I realized that this opportunity can be made available to more and more students, faculty members in the States. With the help of Spoken Tutorial team, I made some training arrangements, conducted some workshops with higher education faculty of Himachal Pradesh, and we just got the right chance to get the project going to reach the masses. Because when I met the principal investigator of this project, Professor Canon, after I received my National ICT Award from Honorable President of India, he gave me a vision that it's not about your school, it's not about your state, it's a global vision which I have to take, and I have to take this opportunity. I have to make this opportunity available for more and more students in India and around the globe. And then I took it really seriously. That particular meeting with him was very important, and his vision in the CSI document, it was immaculate to impart me that energy that I could go forward and excel. And then I just implemented it as an ICT educator and made it a point to educate more and more teachers so that they can spread the awareness, spread the message around that these free courses can change the life of their students to bridge the digital divide in the country. For last 10 years, we are getting 100% result with the subject average of more than 85% in the CBSE board results. I realized in 2020 that NEP is talking about it. NEP is talking about with the documentation that multilingualism as well as educating a child in his home language or the regional language is very important. And Spoken Tutorial is all set right from the start with multilingualism. I realized this thing, and after that I implemented it more swiftly, spread the news. In the process, I submitted an inquiry project to Fulbright Commission, and I got awarded with Fulbright Distinguished Award for International Teachers. And I shared my learnings and also what I got from this project and how it can bridge the digital divide in India across many countries. So educators around the globe were excited to hear about this. And now I'm happy to share that this project has transformed me as an educator, as a teacher trainer, and of course as a researchers. And I think it's the right platform to share that I'll be conferred with the National Award to Teachers by the Honorable President of India. A big thanks to the Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay project. A big thanks to Professor Canon to give me this vision to transform my life and spread the same message to more and more people across India and globe. Thank you.